Hello guys, welcome back on this day 5 already of this little vlog detail about my journey that I'm doing. So what I've been doing is mostly coding today, more than the other day actually. I had more time to do this. So what I've been doing, I complete the search request context here. So I think I showed a bit yesterday, I don't remember. But yeah, so here we have the all the filters that can be used for the AI that will be trained for the personalization of the user. Here's the localization of the user. I put blah blah, but it's not meaning anything here. So we have this context, which in React allowed me to have here in pages a provider with a value that will be reusable inside of the tree. And inside of this tree, I have my filters here, where I directly use this context. I use this context to display them, and I use this context to update them if at any time, like for example here I click, they are updated real time, so that's good. And they are used here in such places. So this is the little button here. Here you have a fetch with a handler and a callback. It's mostly just to call the backend. I will show you in a moment. To create the JSON here as a string, pass it, and that's it. Actually, I'm just doing this, and I'm getting back the response from the backend, putting back in JSON, and I'm putting it. That's it. So here you have the button. So here you can see, like, if I'm choosing, for example, that's the filters here. So they are all by default at false. And if I choose, I don't know, beaches and peaceful spots, I don't remember if it's printing, but I will show you here directly. Okay, search places. So while I was doing this, I will show you the backend in Python. So like I said, it's a chatbot that I already have done, but I discovered this little fast API that, like its name say, create fast API. So that's very good. I never knew about this. So just by doing this, here it's to update the cores. So you just have to put the origin. So it's my front end. Here the cores with the headers and the methods allowed. And so here is my chatbot with the search engine. Here we don't use Mistral, we use Olama because it's free and it's local. But it's a bit shitty, to be honest. I will show you here in prompt refinement. So where the prompt is being with all the details about the user and the user preference, which are the filters. So here we put the filters, and if they are selected, we put them in a list like this. And for example, like here, I'm asking him to put a description, a note for those filters, for those places that he will get me. So we can see here that he finish. Oh, actually, I wanted to show you just before this, finishing this. Here we have the fast API annotation that allowed me to create different routes in REST. So you can do just app.get and you will have this. And inside of this, there is a little object request that is passing, and you can use it very easily to create JSON, to convert and everything. So that's why I put this in comments for now, because this code will be usable for the Lambda. I don't know what I will do, but if I want to use it as a Lambda, it needs to be executable, and as an executable, it needs arguments, and yeah, that's it. It takes an argument, and yeah, that's it. So the code that we had here, we had the response, perfect. So it's an array. So we have an array with the object. So this is about the Puebla, and give me the name of the place, the description, and a grade based on on the preference and how much the places match our preference. So this is very good because I want to be able to display the best grade first, and more it goes, more it will be the less grade. So that's the thing. And here, perfect. So we have a bit of the ID. We can see here the user is visiting the city of Puebla. So that's, for now, it's hard-coded. I didn't put a text box. So beach and peaceful spots, what we took here. So that's the prompt and the content of the chatbot. So that's the content. It's kind of good, but there is still some limitation because I'm using for now Olama 3.2, and it's not the best. I compare to ChatGPT, and it gives me better results, better thinking. For example, if I'm taking this to add the good points and the bad points directly inside of the prompt, I get some nothing. To be honest, I get nothing. Olama is too weak for doing this. So there is some solution, either using directly the API of ChatGPT, but I would like to not do this because of the price, and I would like to directly host with Olama, but another model. So I saw like DeepSeek Air 1. I mentioned it yesterday or 2 days ago. It's a very good model, especially for thinking, but for now it's just testing because in any case it's a computer and I cannot host a lot of parameters models. So that's the goal, to be able to do this and to see how it goes with a lot of demands about users. So yeah, I'm happy about this, and I've done also some visual on Figma. So here it is on desktops for now. I'll be working because I'm with Next.js. And so you will have to choose which activity you want. It's like the filters I showed you earlier. You find new places. It gives you like some fish here. This fish, you have like some carousel with the image, the description, a map with like a point describing where is it, and maybe based on your location, I don't know. If the localization is used, we can put something, the good points, the bad points, and you can just swipe like any dating app, or you can put a heart to put it in your favorite that you will have here. So the favorite, you can share it with your friend. That's the goal. It can be with you to swipe and discover. And yeah, that's it. After that's this project. I want to do the audio guide like I mentioned very earlier, which I think it would be best value of the project. But for now, it's mostly this. So thank you for listening so far, and I'm seeing you Monday to continue on the day 6. I will be working on another video if I have time. I don't know about my weekend, but I want to be able to make a quick tutorial about LangChain and how to make AI agents for people. So this one will be really based on giving you content, giving you knowledge, and we will get back to this part and continue this project Monday. So thank you for listening, and see you very soon.